Click on the Start menu button and in the recently added apps looking for App Office. Here it is, here it how it looks, open it. For use Office app you need to sign in your Microsoft account in your Windows 10. I am entering a password and sign in. So what you can in free app. The topic of this video is free Word app. And how I get it? I click on Word shortcut and you see new blank document. If I click on this button I create a new file, or I can open file which I was added in OneDrive, but I click a new blank document and create a new file. And you see how Office app create a new file in browser. By the way, the title of the site is called onedrive.live.com. Why OneDrive? Because free Office app has a cloud storage in OneDrive and Office app is in OneDrive. I think the first impression it will be not so good, because you see at the display with functions like font size, and you think it's some shorter than in normal Microsoft Word. But in the right corner there is a small arrow down, ribbon display options it's called. Click on it, this is classic ribbon. Click and you see the standard display interface like in desktop Office app. So I can type in text, I can create it bold or italic, I can change font size, make it grow or shrink, align text to right or left or in center of the page. I can do many things with text or images, or I can create a table, insert a picture on this device like this. I can dictate a text. For example, now my microphone is connected to the PC and I click on dictate, allow to use my microphone, and hi everyone, and in this video I will show you how to use for free Microsoft Word. Not bad, not bad. So, thank you for watching this video, put like, write comment and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye. Funny.